This is a new 5-unit building. We just completed gut renovating on the border of East Williamsburg and Bushwick. I'm gonna show you the first floor duplex with private backyard, 2-bed, 2.5 bath. Here's your mailbox, AccuVox video intercom with facial recognition, virtual doorman capability, which means that when people ring your bell, it comes straight to your phone. These are our hallways. Hunter green doors. This is unit 1, the duplex. The building is 25 by 55, so we have huge floor plates. That's to the lower level. We have this exposed HVAC duct in the living room area, approximately 11.5-foot ceilings here. Hardwood oak floors, natural finish. Granite countertops. Enough room for 4 bar stools here. Plenty of cabinet space, full-size fridge, side by side with ice maker and water dispenser. 5-burner gas range, above range microwave with a kitchen fan that vents out. These counters are with a leathered finish, full-size dishwasher, double garbage pull-out, large sink, faucet with the pull-out. Have an extra large coat closet here. Wide hallway. This is the HVAC closet. These units are also equipped with an ERV, which is providing constant fresh airflow from outside in, recirculating the air. Here's the hallway bath, tiled all the way up, deep soaking tub, matte black hexagon floor, medicine cabinet. You have a shower head as well as a hand spray. And we've equipped the bathrooms with these fans that are also a light and a Bluetooth speaker. This is your thermostat for temperature control and your video intercom, although it comes to your phone. We also have an indoor screen. This is the entry to the primary bedroom. We have a barn door set up here. Extra large room. Fitted king-size bed, armchair. Stand-up shower in this one. Double vanity with recessed medicine cabinets, vanity lights. Extra large window, and this is the walk-in closet. We put ceiling fans in the bedrooms as well as the living room because the ceilings are almost 12 feet high. This is the secondary bedroom. Double door closet, all 8-foot tall hardwood doors. Exterior doors and windows by Pella. And the building is spray foam insulated for energy efficiency. We have outdoor lighting, 1, 2, 3. Huge backyard. This is like 25 by 40 approximately. And you also have an exterior staircase going down to the lower level, which is a rec room. Huge windows in the front. Those are like 10 feet wide and 7 feet tall. It's an iron staircase filled with black cement. Down here we have porcelain floors. It's like a bonus room, living room, or live-work kind of a situation. It's a secondary HVAC system here with the thermostat there. Both thermostats are Wi-Fi compatible. So you can control that from your phone, whether you're home or you're not. That's just the storage room. This is a staircase that leads to the hallway upstairs. No one will have access to that except for you. This is another storage. Lots of closets and storage space in here. That's the staircase we used to come down. Here's a half bathroom. And then a full-size laundry room. These units are gas. They're vented out. They're full-size.